In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Miro board from a template. Let's get started by opening Miro in your browser and heading to your dashboard. This is the home base where all your boards live and where you'll kick off new ones. If you already have Miro open, make sure you're on the main dashboard view so you can see the option to create something new. From the dashboard, click the button labeled Blank Board. Even though it says blank, Miro will automatically take you to the Templates library. That's by design, and it's a great shortcut. Templates give you a head start with proven layouts for everything from brainstorming and retrospectives to flowcharts and customer journey maps. In the Templates library, browse the categories along the top or side to narrow down what you need. If you know exactly what you're after, use the search bar to quickly find it. Take a moment to open a template preview. This lets you see the structure, example content, and any instructions the template provides. You'll usually find brief descriptions that explain when to use the template and what outcomes it supports, which helps you pick confidently. Once you've found a template that fits your project, click Use Template. Miro will create a new board with that layout preloaded. This is your workspace, ready to go, and everything in the template is fully customizable. If your goal truly is a fresh canvas, you can still select a very simple or blank style template in the library. Either way, you're starting in the right place with the structure you prefer. After the board opens, you're done with setup and can begin working immediately. Zoom in to review the sections the template provides and scan for any guidance notes included on the canvas. You can move frames, delete example content, or add your own sticky notes, shapes, and connectors to adapt the layout to your process. The big advantage of starting from a template is speed and clarity. Your team sees a shared structure right away, which reduces the time spent aligning on format. Remember, nothing is locked in stone. Treat the template as a starting point that you can reshape as your project evolves. That's all it takes. Open Miro, click Blank Board, explore the templates library, choose the one that matches your needs, and hit Use Template. With that, you're ready to build out your ideas and collaborate efficiently. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Miro board.